Welcome to our virtual open house tour at Calvin Christian School Collegiate Campus. I'm Shannon Smith and I'm the principal at the Collegiate Campus, where we hold our grade 7 through 12 students. Calvin Christian has a long history providing faith-based education. This year we celebrate our 60th anniversary, and that is the foundation upon which we built our program at our high school campus. We are in our 19th year of offering Christ-centered education. In 2002, we began our high school program with our first grade 10 class. In subsequent years, we added grade 11 and then grade 12. And this year, we will be graduating our 17th graduation class. We're very encouraged by the way in which God has provided and blessed our efforts at Calvin throughout the early years and now into our future. It is our desire for this virtual open house to provide you with information about our school and what makes us a special place. When you enroll your student, you become part of the Greater Winnipeg Society for Christian Education. As a member, you elect a parent board of directors, which is responsible for the direction and vision of the school. Calvin Christian is a member of Christian Schools International, specifically District 11 under the Prairie Centre for Christian Education. We are a member of Manitoba Federation of Independent Schools. And independent schools receive a government grant of approximately 50% of the Manitoba student education cost. Now, Calvin Christian is my extended family. I felt that way as a student, and I feel that way today as an administrator. We have a culture of acceptance, encouragement, support, and excellence based in the Lord. So I was a student here from grade 1 through 9. We did not have kindergarten at that time, nor did we have our high school campus. I fondly remember how my teachers valued me and my opinions. I felt important and respected. We regularly discussed what a Christian response to the world should look like. And this practice is steeped in our teachings today too. We have continued to employ solid Christian teachers sharing their story as part of God's story. We aim to be reflective about our Christian worldview in all our activities and academic studies. The teachers who teach here are dedicated Christian men and women. They wrestle daily with what it means to be genuinely Christian in what they teach and how they interact with their students. Out of faith, we reach out to our community and beyond through service opportunities, and out of faith, we worship together as a Christian educational community. Our central and guiding principle is that Jesus Christ is Lord over all areas of our lives, and especially in this context, He is Lord over education. It is an awesome thing to be in kingdom work for kingdom children. Our full curriculum meets or exceeds the standards of the Manitoba Department of Education and Training. We address the brokenness in this world and how we respond to it from a Christian worldview, using Teaching for Transformation as a tool. This tool investigates creation, fall, redemption, and restoration as we pursue curricular goals. Our academic program requires 31 credits to graduate with a Calvin Christian diploma, and that includes 4 Bible courses and 1 service credit. We offer all 3 maths, sciences, and ELA courses prescribed by the province. We have a variety of optional courses to choose from, including online or distance learning. Our music program has a dedicated music teacher that offers concert band to grade 7 to 12, choir, grade 9 to 12 jazz band. We perform in many Christmas and spring performances and compete in music festivals. In grade 10, we offer a music art excursion either to Chicago or New York each year. For visual art, we have an art specialist teacher for grades 9 through 12 classes. We have many visual displays throughout the school, including legacy pieces from our grade 11 and 12 students. We offer digital film and digital pictures as well. Our Phys Ed and Health program, we have specialist teachers from grade 7 through 12, and we offer experiential learning off campus, including camping, ice fishing, snowshoeing, and we have a strong outdoor ed program. Our extracurricular sports, this upcoming year we will participate in MHSAA Zone 14, which is KPAC, and River East Transcona School Division Middle Years Events and Christian Schools Athletic Association. Our volleyball program is provincially acclaimed, as is our curling program. We also offer basketball, soccer, track and field, badminton, and cross-country running. Our spiritual enrichment is addressed in every class, but also with our daily student life groups, our SLGs, every morning. And we have a director of student faith and life to guide us in that process. We provide semi-monthly chapels, and we also have a worship band. Technology, we have 2 stocked Mac computer labs with IT support. We offer ICT courses for grade 7 and 8s. And grade 9 through 12, we ask that students bring their own devices. We provide many service learning opportunities. We have an impact trip to Mexico for our grade 11s. Our grade 12s have an inner city experience at Siloam Mission. And we have many grade level initiatives coordinated by the school and classroom teachers. For student services, we have a full-time resource teacher coordinator with many qualified educational assistants. We share a guidance counselor with our elementary campus, and we have an academic advisor here. And our resource department runs a lunch hour canteen and hot lunch days throughout the year. We have many school activities that we offer, so students can be part of student council and lead the movie nights and plan spiritual emphasis weeks and spirit weeks with grade wars. We also have high school dances, drama productions every second year. We have high school worship bands, and of course, as mentioned, we have the yearbook committee that students can join. And since 2010, our yearbook covers have come in first place in Manitoba and Northwestern Ontario in those competitions for the yearbook design. This place really does feel like home. As a school, we experience change every year. We grow, we learn, we change. What has remained the same since I was a student at Calvin is our desire to explore, experience, and evaluate all of life under the Lordship of Christ. Thank you for taking the tour with me.